Hey guys, this is Andrew from WordPressForChurch.com. We are in the middle of our Basics for WordPress series where we're showing you everything from adding a new blog post, adding organizing media, your calendar, forms, creating new pages, editing all that. And today I'm using my personal ministry website. It's PastorAndrewPeters.com, where I blog from, to show you how to create a blog post. So if you're starting on your dashboard here, in WordPress, just go over here to post, click on post. And when you click on post, what it's going to do is going to bring up all the blogs that you've written in chronological order. And so from here, I want to add a new blog. I want to add a new post. So I click on add new at the top, or you can click on it over here in the sidebar as well. And once you click on that, it's going to load the post editor. And so from here, you just enter your blog title. And so I'm pretty sure you're writing an awesome blog. So we're just going to call it that. And down here, you're going to add cool content. You're going to add some verses because all of this is, geared towards ministry and stuff. And I'm Pentecostal, so we're going to throw in some revelation as well. And then at the end of every blog, you want to write a question to engage your audience, or something to engage your audience. It doesn't have to be a question. And so once you've written all this, once you've added your content and all that jazz, once you have your blog title, this is all you really need. Once you hit publish over here in a second, it'll go directly to your blog. In fact, let's go ahead and do that. And before I do that, I'm going to unlink these because I don't want this tutorial to go to Facebook. And so I'm going to publish the blog. And here, once it's published, I'm going to click on view when it comes up. So I'm just going to open this in a new window, go to view post. And this is the basic blog post as it's coming up. This is what it's going to look like. It's going to have your title right here. Depending on your theme, of course, I'm using a theme called Rebound by Theme Waves. I love it. And then it's going to have your content right here. And then I have, social sharing and related posts and all that fun stuff. But let's say we want to do some more with our blog. So I'm going to go back over here to the edit post. And if you want to, you can add media to your post. You can add pictures and everything into the post itself. And you can even add documents. I recently wrote a blog post on why we have sermon-based small groups at my church. I'm a community groups pastor. And so I added our community group leader packet to that. So you can add documents straight into your blog post. And then you can also add a featured image. So let's just make that, since I shared that packet, let's use 5 reasons for sermon-based groups. And what your featured image is going to do is going to show up right at the top. It's going to draw attention to your blog right away. And let's click on update for that. And while that's updating, let's just go ahead and go over here to the blog itself and refresh the blog. And as you can see, it pulled my featured image directly to the top. Still has my blog title. You click on this right here. That's the community group leader packet that I added. But that's not enough, because once you write a bunch of blogs, you're going to need a way to organize them. And so I have categories over here on the side. I have church as a main category, and then everything under that, media, teaching as a main category. And all you got to do is click on add a new category. Whatever you're writing about, you'll add it. And then click update again, of course. And then if you want to look at all your categories, you can go over here to categories itself. And this is where you can organize your categories better. You can add more. And so you'll just type in the name of the category. Say I wanted to type in church again, and you can write the slug. The slug is what shows up right here after your name. So this, instead of saying WP admin edit blah 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 blah, if I typed in church, if I wanted the category to be church, it would just come up pastorandrewpeters.com/category/church. And down here, you see how these have a little mark. It's because they're a subcategory, or they have a parent category. And so culture is right below church. That's why it shows up this way over here. And you can add a description for your category as well, and click on add new category. And that's how you create a blog. That's how you add content to a blog. That is how you do the featured image. That's how you add categories to your blog. That's it. Thank you for watching. And there's more on WordPressForChurch.com.